Hello all, welcome back to Trinity Software. This is Christopher Dana. In this video, let us see about Pandas Groupby function, which is useful for data analysis. Groupby follows the split, apply, combine logic. So you can group our data based on the categories, and then we can perform operations like sum, average, maximum, minimum, etc. Here we are using the sales dataset. So this is a sample superstore sales dataset which contains some value columns like sales, quantity, discount, profit. Okay, now from this dataset, the goal is to find out the total sales by category, the average sales by region, and best selling products. So let us do that using group by function. So first we shall start by importing the required module. So we need to import pandas as PD. Then with this pandas dot read underscore CSV method. Using this method, you can read the contents of the CSV file. So it is present in sample superstore.csv file. Let me copy this path. Copy as path and save it here. We can include an R string here. So we have obtained the data frame. So we can store it in a variable called df. And now if you check the first 5 rows, df.head, execute it, which will retrieve the first 5 rows and all the columns of the dataset. Okay, now let's start from the basic groupby operation, that is for a single column. So this is a syntax for groupby operation for a single column. df.groupby, you have to specify the column name, and then the target column will be the value column dot any aggregate function. So here let's find out df.groupby. Column name will be category, target column sales dot aggregate function. Let's find out the total sum of sales. So total sales by category dot sum. That's it. So if we execute, it is grouped by based on the category furniture, office supplies, and technology, and then the sum of the sales is returned. Okay. We can also find out the average sales by region. We can do it for region. Here, let me give df.groupby region sales dot mean, that is the average sales based on the region. So for region central, east, south, and west, the average sales is written. You can also perform multiple aggregations, that is for a single column you can apply various different aggregate functions to the sales column. So that can be performed by aggregating with a list. Take the same thing. So df.groupby category sales, instead of dot sum we are using agg aggregate function, and we are passing these functions as a list, that is sum. Then we can also find out mean, max. So aggregating with a list. So for furniture, the sum of the sales, the mean sales, and the maximum sales. Similarly for office supplies and technology category also it is obtained. Then the most recommended way of performing this groupby is named aggregation. When you want to apply the aggregate functions for different value columns, here quantity column, sales column, and profit column. Okay. Again we will use df.groupby category dot agg function. Now we need to find out the total quantity, right? So you can give the heading as total quantity equal to, you can give it the tuple format, column name, quantity, and then the aggregate function, quantity comma sum, then average underscore sales equal to the tuple sales column comma, for average use mean, then maximum profit. So max profit equal to, take profit column, profit comma max. That's it. So now we have got the named aggregation. For each and every category, we have got the total quantity, average sales, and maximum profit. We can also perform group by for multiple columns. So for multiple columns, we can include category and region. When you want to perform for multiple columns, you have to place it in the list. Category, comma, region. That's it. So we have got for this particular category and the region what is the total sum of sales. Okay, again we can have the combination of group by multiple columns and aggregate by multiple columns. This is for group by single column and aggregate by multiple columns. We are doing this same thing for multiple columns now. So let me include region and category. Not aggregate function can apply the total quantity, average sales and maximum profit here. Okay, this is grouped based on region and category, and then the aggregate functions are found out. Okay, fine. Then we have this reset index. We can reset the index after performing a Pandas Groupby operation. We can do the reset index for this one. So df.groupby region category, then for value column sales, we are finding out the sum dot reset index. It will be creating a new data frame for this df1. So if we execute this df1, we'll get a new data frame. That is grouped by region and category. We have got it. Next, we can find out best selling subcategory using df.groupby subcategory, and for sales column we are finding out sum of the sales, and then we have to sort the values in the descending order. So sort underscore values with argument ascending equal to false, so that we'll get the topmost products dot reset underscore index. Okay, so this you can store as best selling. From this best selling, you can just select the top 5 best selling. Just give best sell dot head of 5. Will give you the top 5 best selling subcategories. Okay, so these are all the top 5 subcategories with the highest sales. Now you can visualize this using Cborn and Matplotlib. Save this best selling dot head of 5 as top 5. Okay, and then we can plot the bar plot. SNS dot bar plot. Data frame will be top 5. X is equal to subcategory and Y is equal to sales. You can also give the title plot dot title top 5 best selling products. So need to execute this again. Top 5. So we got this top 5 best selling subcategories. Okay. Now we are going to find out the top subcategories by region. So top subcategories by region equal to, just use df.groupby df.groupby region. We are interested in subcategory sales dot sum dot reset index. Okay, top subcategories by region. From this we need to sort within each region. So top underscore sub underscore region. Top sort, after sorting we got top sort equal to top sub region dot sort underscore values. We are going to sort within the region and then sales, then ascending equal to true for region. For region it should be in ascending, and for sales it should be in the descending order, so false. Okay, from this we are going to find out the top 3 subcategories per region. So top 3 equal to top underscore sort dot group by region dot head of 3 will give you the top 3. So if we execute a top 3, you should get top 3 subcategories. So for region, top 3 subcategories and their total sum of sales is displayed. Now you can plot the bar plot. SNS dot bar plot can pass this top 3 as an argument, and X will be the region, Y is equal to sales, and subcategory you can place it in hue. Hue is equal to subcategory. That's all. Now we can give plot dot title top 3 subcategories by region. That's it. So we got this bar plot. Top 3 subcategories for each region is displayed: central, east, south, and west. So that's it about group by operation in Pandas, which is very much useful for data analysis. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe.